Welcome to TechVerse, your ultimate destination for all things tech. Today, we dive into the revolutionary Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, the smartphone that's set to redefine innovation. Packed with game-changing features, next-level software optimizations, and an ultra-sleek design, the S25 Ultra promises to deliver an experience like no other. From its groundbreaking camera upgrades to stunning new colors, Samsung has pulled out all the stops for its latest flagship. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, photography lover, or just crave cutting-edge performance, this device has it all. Stay tuned as TechVerse takes you through everything you need to know about the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is still in its pre-order phase, but the buzz surrounding it is undeniable. Experts and reviewers are already hinting at some fascinating upgrades that could redefine your smartphone experience. While the hardware might not steal the spotlight this time, Samsung is banking heavily on software innovation and user experience to set the S25 series apart. One of the standout features is the new continuous zoom function. It's a game-changer for video recording, offering a smooth cinematic zoom-in and zoom-out experience. While this might feel overdue, especially since mid-range competitors like Xiaomi introduced similar features years ago, Samsung's implementation is polished and fluid, thanks to the One UI 7.0. Speaking of software, the ProVisual AI engine is here to elevate your photography game. It reduces noise in low-light conditions and even understands skin tones better, ensuring your shots look natural and refined. Paired with a groundbreaking 50MP ultrawide lens offering a 120-degree field of view and ultra-steady video capabilities, the S25 Ultra promises professional-grade visuals. And yes, the fan-favorite 200MP primary lens and telephoto options from the S24 Ultra are still here, with a touch of added finesse. Now let's talk colors, because who doesn't love options? According to the latest leaks, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will launch with 7 stunning shades, including titanium black, silver blue, and exclusive online finishes like titanium pink gold. And if you're eyeing the standard S25 or the S25 Plus, there's a fresh palette waiting for you too. At a starting price of $1,299, Samsung is keeping the S25 Ultra in line with last year's pricing. But is it worth the upgrade? With One UI 7.0 rumored to bring some of these features to the S24 Ultra, that's a question only you can answer. So, what do you think? Are you ready to embrace the Galaxy S25 Ultra, or will you stick with last year's flagship? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates as we count down to the official launch.